Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix apps crashing on your phone. So at first you need to open the settings. Now in the settings you need to scroll all the way down to the apps. And let me tell you one big thing before everything starts. When apps continually crash, force close or freeze on your Samsung phone, the underlying issue is usually corrupted app cache files, out-of-date system web views, or aggressive background RAM management. At first, you need to find your application in the apps section right here. Let it be, for example, Facebook. Now, you need to scroll down here straight to the storage. And now in the storage you need to find the clear data button, delete, and now after deleting the data, which I don't know, doesn't work for me here because my phone is laggy, you will be able to use your app. This switches the app to its freshly installed state and requires logging back in. Apart from that, you need to update Android System WebView and Google Chrome. Most Android apps rely on Android System WebView to render web-based media and in-app content. A bug in WebView or Chrome causes widespread app crashes across the device. So open the Play Store. Let me quickly set it up. And here in the Play Store you need to tap this search bar at the bottom. Now you need to type Android System WebView. Here I've got Android System WebView Dev, but we need to search normal for normal Android System WebView, and as I can see we don't have it here, so we need to tap this profile picture in the top right corner and tap Manage Apps and Device. Here we've got updates available. Here you need to update all. If you see that your Chrome web browser has an update, update it, and the same with the System WebView. You don't need to, of course, update YouTube and some other link to Windows services. Just these two applications that I told you. Apart from that, you need to do the same in the Galaxy Store right here. So you need to go to Store, tap this menu right here, then head to Updates, and update all right here. And here actually everything is required, so just update all, and now we can go even further. Open settings in your phone and scroll down till you see device care right here. Tap memory, and now in the memory tap RAM+. Make sure to disable RAM+ completely, and if you try to disable this, you will need to restart your phone by tapping restart right here. And apart from that, you need to go back to the main menu of the phone, open battery, and here you need to tap background usage limits. Now you need to find the problematic app in the sleeping apps or in the deep sleeping apps, because One UI's battery optimization can forcefully kill background process mid-task, triggering an app crash when reopened. So you need to tap this three dots in the top right corner, for example, and here tap adaptive battery and enable adaptive battery, but that doesn't matter actually that much here. Apart from that, you need to go the apps section, back again, and find again the problematic application, Facebook here. Now you need to open the battery and select unrestricted option. And that should be it. Bye!